Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. I have a Panasonic washing machine. It's unable to wash and unable to dry. Just making noisy. Let's see. Dear viewers, we have to lay down the washing machine. Then I have found, see, this belt has broken. Yeah, so that's why I cannot move the drum and pull starter. Yeah, see, this belt has broken and it's very loose also and broken also, and this belt we have to change it. Yeah, that's why unable to wash and unable to dry, just motor is making noisy only, so we have to change the belt. Let me remove it. Yeah, I have removed, and see this, we have to see, if you change we have to see the number. What is the number bill? I hope, yeah, this number is M 19.8. yeah, so we have to change same size M 19.8, that then only it will be perfect. Let me fix the belt. Same like this. Before few days ago also I have done same problem, the same brand Panasonic, and this customer also same problem, this washing machine. So I have fixed it. See, it's new, inshallah will be okay. Let's see. Okay dear viewers, thank you so much. It's working. Alhamdulillah. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.